Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is C, or you guys can call me Crystal. So if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. First of all, before we jump into this video, I really want to thank you guys for helping me get to 1,000 subscribers. Again, I appreciate you guys so much. So the giveaway details will be coming in soon. I will make a separate video for that. Guys, today is my birthday. Today is my birthday. I really don't have too much planned today. Like tomorrow is all the little outings. I will be vlogging that. So definitely stay tuned for that to be my next video. But yeah, we about to get your girl really cute. Now, I've been loving this blonde moment. I love that other blonde wig that I was wearing. And then I ended up putting it in a ponytail. I really just love how that looked as well. So your girl's going back blonde, and we got this blonde bob. Definitely in time for spring, summer, shit all year round. Let's be honest. At least for me anyway. I wear it all year round. But this wig is from Alipearl Hair. This is their 10-inch blonde bob. Links will be in the description box below, so definitely check that out. So again, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Subscribe to my channel. Again, everything is appreciated. So guys, this is the up close of the lace, the hairline. It all looks so nice, pre-plucked. So you shouldn't have to do too much work with this, but just install it. Like, I can pluck, but I'm not a pro at plucking. I can just do enough to get me by, I would say. But yeah, I'm gonna install this wig with the Bold Hold Liquid Gold by the Hair Diagram. I've been using this for the longest. I never really use glue, like actual wig glue, to lay my wigs down. I've pretty much been either using this or like Gots to Be. But I really love this, especially if I'm trying to keep it on for a little longer, a couple days, at least even a week. This will last me a week. As long as you care for it right and lay it down correctly. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into it.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but original. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me. For me, oh, for me. Pretty, but coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby, it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar-coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. Alipearl. But she don't love me, she too scary. My hope is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna love her, she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, need some me time. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Chateau Mama, cause the New York the shelf. Now my bitches did the Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, get some me time.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
just not doing what I want.
Get some me time.
You do what you want.
In the meantime,
just not doing what I want.
Get some me time.
You do what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I was lost now. Every 24 seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shot? Put you waiting on little daddy, I ain't got that much time. You seem anxious, you seem adamant, but you ain't pressed my line. Wondering why? No, you ain't shy. I'ma say bye, but I know I won't think twice. Better let go of your pride. No, now, just coming down now. Oh yeah. Be on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you didn't call it by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind could man. And I don't think ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here?
I'm a soldier. No one could understand. I had way too much aggression that built over the years from my abandoned adolescence. See, I done been lied to, backstabbed, and heartbroken. I wanted to cry, but I was too afraid to open. Praying one day I'll find a peace of mind by the ocean. I spent all my time committing crimes to get closer. While at my nana house, I play the couch, staring at the ceiling, trying not to get in my feelings, thinking of a way I can make these millions. Maybe that'll take this pain away and clear up all these rainy days. Heart been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe, Mama say it's my fault, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Think it's best I put my heart on my sleeve. I can't breathe. I'ma put my heart on nice, getting the best of me.
Take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so you, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I try to keep from losing the best in me.